Hey everybody, it's Zori from OneScales. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 1-minute video how to remove at the bottom of your Shopify theme the Powered by Shopify section right here. There's a little bit of code there, so if you're a little scared of it, just ask a developer. It should take them about 1 or 2 minutes to do it. But if you want to follow me, you can try to do it and do it yourself. And if you have any questions, as always, please let us know. Okay, so I want to remove this Powered by Shopify link at the bottom. So what do? I actually have to go to the back end of my Shopify, and I need to go to Sales Channels, Online Stores, and Themes. And here you'll be able to see the theme, which is basically the layout and the code of your website. So what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you're going to want to go and duplicate the theme, because if you actually make a mistake, you're going to break your whole website. So as always, anytime you make a change to your customization or your code, make a duplication of it. Do the changes on the duplicate. If it's okay, test, it's good, then just set it live, and then you can always go backwards. So for example, here I have the copy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 3 dots right here, edit code, and on the left-hand side, I'm going to search for footer. Now, very important note right here, I'm going to select footer.liquid, but every theme has a different layout structure, different coding structure, so it might be footer dash something, or footer dash bottom, or footer something, but most of the time it's related to the footer. If you're not really sure, what you can also do is just literally go ahead, download the theme on your computer, search for the code, the word powered or powered by, just search for the word powered, and then you'll be able to find which file it's in, and then you can edit it. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to click on edit code. I already searched for footer, and I'm going to search Control F for the word power or powered, right? And I can see here powered by link. All I'm going to have to actually do is go ahead and delete everything with the powered by link with the side brackets, the 2 brackets on the sides. I'm going to close it and click on save. You can also edit it or comment it out from the HTML, but I just like to remove it. And then I can go back right here, and I can go to my theme and click here on preview, the 3 dots in preview. And then I can actually go ahead, scroll down, and let's see right here, and it's gone. It's gone. Now, what I want to do is I want to test and make sure I go to different pages, both on mobile and desktop, make sure I didn't break anything, if it looks good, if my product pages and my collection pages and etc., they're all good, I'm good. So now, assuming I did good testing, what I'm going to do, click here, click on publish, and that's it. It'll be live. Now the live theme, the real website, will actually not have the powered by, and we finished. Hope this makes sense. It's a quick video. If it was too fast, ask us any questions you have and we'll answer. If you have any specific questions, your theme is a little different, just ask us and we're here. OneScales is here to answer your questions, to help you guys do better, be more knowledgeable, save time, save costs, all that kind of stuff. And we're here. So YouTube channel, onescales.com, social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Let us know if you had any questions. And if it did help you in any way, please like, please subscribe, please share. Really helps us get feedback from you guys, also grow to reach more people. Much appreciated. Thank you guys.